Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and today I will be trying to do windstorm furry floater combo. Okay, so I'm gonna try to do it on my test dummy right here. 3, 2, 1. Okay. I did it, let go. I did it. Alright, now let's do this in a public server. See ya. I'm meant to fight. Alright guys, I found someone to kill. Okay, watch this. It's me. Alright guys, it's time to do it. I hit. Oh, she left. Oh. So you found another person to fight. What in the world? Oh! We once again found her. I'm gonna go fight her. I'm gonna go fight this girl.
This is not this bad.
So with that, guys, is cooked. She's cooked. Guys, I'm gonna hit it. Ah! Oh, look at that. I hit it. And okay, guys. Wait, guys, I'm gonna do something very cool. Watch it. Watch it. It's gonna be. Oh, yeah. Well, GG. Anyway, guys, that's gonna be it for the video. See ya.